Hello everyone, myself Amojit Ghosh. I am from mechanical department and I am in second year. My roll number is 39. Today my topic is about entrepreneurship. I'll explain you the types, the characteristics, advantages, disadvantages and the concept of entrepreneurship. It is setting a business with aim to make a profit. It is taken on financial risks in hope of profit. Suppose a person is establishing a business in which he is investing a lot of money to earn the profit. Entrepreneur is related to a person who set up a business and assume risks for it. Okay, it is derived from French language, which is related to innovation, risk taking and skills. Suppose I am acting as mediator between seller and buyer. I am buying the good from the company and further I am selling it in the market, for which I should innovate new ideas and I should take risks to buy that goods, and further I should have skills to sell it in the market. In this whole process, we are not only employing ourselves, we are also employing many other persons based on their skills. This is the concept of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur related to a person. Entrepreneurship is a process of action. Enterprise to object. Okay, this is the concept of entrepreneurship. Now I will tell you about many famous entrepreneurs. For example, Mark Zuckerberg, who is chairman of Facebook, Jeff Bezos, chairman of Amazon, and many others like Bill Gates, who are now earning in billions. Types of entrepreneurship. First one, administrative. It is based on techniques and functions. Opportunistic. It is based on offering new opportunities. Third one is aquatic. It teaches something new from other competitors. Incubative. It innovates new ideas, ventures within the organizations. Imitative. It adapts and exciting technologies. And the fifth one, private entrepreneurship, which initiates under private sector. Public entrepreneurship undertaken by the government. Individual is undertaken only by an individual. Mass entrepreneurship is help in developing wide range. It increases small and medium enterprises. Okay, characteristics of entrepreneurship. There are several characteristics of entrepreneurship, but I have taken the important ones. First one, self-motivation. Self-motivation helps in developing the organization. Understand what you offer. We should understand what we offer. Take risks. We should take risks on buying that goods. Know how to network. Money management skills and knowledge. Flexibility and passion, etc. Now I am showing you the advantages of entrepreneurship. Flexible schedule. It helps us to make our schedules flexible. Now I'll explain you about entrepreneurship deeply. It is a process of designing, launching new business, the people who designs, who invents, are called as entrepreneurs. It is also known as capacity to develop an organization. Okay, it helps persons to get new opportunities. Okay, it may includes developing of plans, which may further helps in developing of organization. Okay, it helps in hiring human resources, which an organization needs. Okay, next, it helps in acquiring financial and material resources. It provides leadership. Entrepreneurial leadership involves organization and motivation of people to achieve a common objective through innovation, risk optimization, taking advantage of opportunities, and managing dynamic organizational environment. A leader gives instructions to group. Okay, it provides leadership qualities. Okay, I will explain you about now entrepreneur. A person who starts a business and take risks of his own money to start a venture. If the venture works, the person will be in profit. If it doesn't work, then he will be in loss. Okay, there are many well-known entrepreneurs. For example, Steve Jobs, Omidyar, Katrina Fake, etc. They processed their designs and they further launched. Then they launched in the market. Okay, they converted the small business to huge. Clear? Now I'm stopping my video. Thank you.